What happened to Brian Laundrie? Tonight, we finally have an answer. This is Nightside. I'm Carolina Lee. The Sarasota medical examiner determined that Laundrie committed suicide, dying from a gunshot wound to his head. It's the latest development in a months-long investigation. 10 Tampa Bay Shannon Clough is in Northport talking with Brian Laundrie's family attorney as well as Gabby-Petito's.
Well, tonight we were able to confirm with the Laundrie family attorney, Steven Bertolino. He says tonight Brian's parents are mourning the loss. We also reached out to the attorney for Gabby-Petito's family. He tells us that right now Gabby-Petito's family will not be commenting, telling us they were told by officials as this investigation continues not to release a statement. The Sarasota medical examiner released a report today stating dental records identified Brian and an anthropologist was able to put the skeletal remains together. With that, it was determined Brian Laundrie died from a gunshot wound to his head. Now there are questions surrounding if and when a gun was found. Northport police tell me the FBI will be releasing additional information. We do know Brian's remains were found on October 20th at the Carlton Reserve, along with his backpack and a notebook. A former law enforcement officer says that notebook could mean new information.
It depends on how well they can dry that out and how well they can take those pieces and go through and be able to put those pages together to find out if he wrote in the journal to be able to talk about what happened. But I think other than that, it's done.
David Thomas, who now teaches forensic studies at Florida Gulf Coast University, says if there's nothing found in that journal, the case could be over.
It's over unless there's something that's unique that pops up.
As for if a gun is in evidence, he says investigators don't need to tell us if or when one was found.